I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the pairing process right away. Power the headphones and make sure Bluetooth is active on your source. Once done, press and hold the power button to enter pairing mode. The LED will flash to show discoverability. Keep the headphones within a foot of the device to avoid signal issues. Make sure any previously connected device is off or out of range so the Solo 4 will appear in the Bluetooth list for a clean first connection. You'll now complete the core connection. Find Beats Solo 4 in your device's Bluetooth list and tap it to pair. You may need to accept a pairing prompt or grant microphone/audio permissions. Do that so calls and media work correctly. If the headset doesn't appear, turn off other nearby Bluetooth gadgets and retry so the Solo 4 can be discovered. Once paired, play a short test track and adjust volume on both the source and the headphones to confirm audio routing. You're almost done. Test music playback, make a quick call, and confirm the headset mic is active. If your workflow needs two devices, enable multi-point or switch devices via Bluetooth settings so you can move between phone and laptop. If pairing fails or audio drops, forget the Beats entry on your source and perform a factory reset on the Solo 4, then repeat pairing. This clears stale profiles and resolves most connection conflicts. If resets fail, charge fully and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.